Hi everyone, had a request for this tutorial. This is how to use Data Merge Manager in Affinity Publisher to add your dates to all of your pages so you don't have to type in all of those dates. So I have a planner open here and it's open to my last page in this planner, which is page 15, which is one of my weekly pages. So what you want to do is you want to go to Window, Data Merge Manager, and then you want to add your CSV that you're going to use as the database, basically. And those I've created those for you for 2025 and 2026, and there's a link to a Google Drive link down in the description where you can grab those. So I'm just going to hit that little button there, and this is a Sunday start, so I want to grab the Sunday start CSV. So now here, what you want to do is you want to go to this field here, Merge Pages, and you want to say Page Range because you want to put in the page that you want to duplicate. Okay? And then you go back up here to Window, and then you go down here to References and Fields. And then down here in the Data Merge, you'll see that we have all of those days. So what you have to do here is you click on this and highlight it, and then you click on this and it turns it into, you'll have little parentheses. So you'll click on your field and click on each thing and it'll turn into parentheses. It'll say day 1, day 2, all of that. So then you come back over here and you tell it to generate, and always say yes here, and then it's going to take a minute, so I'm going to pause the video. Okay, so it's all finished processing and it has created up to page 67 for us, and it has input all of the correct dates. So that's how you do that in Affinity with the data merge, but you can also do it in Canva with Bulk Create. So here's a Canva. It's just one page. This is one weekly page. And what we want to do is go to Apps, and we want to go to Bulk Create. We're going to upload our data, and this is a Monday start. So let's grab our Monday start CSV. And then we want to map our fields. So the way that we do that in Canva is we click on it, and then we click on the More, and then we go to Connect Data. And we want to click, this is our weekly range. And then this one, we want to connect data. That's day 1, day 2, okay. And then we'll say continue, and it'll ask us, it'll say we're going to generate 53 designs. Tell it yes, and it will think about it, and it will open a new bulk create or bulk project, and it will have your dates, all of your dates in there for you. So that's how you can not type all of your dates.